So this method is called the lattice method. All you have to do to apply this method is to draw a box, okay, and then divide the box into two. The first 2 digits, place it 4 and 6, and then divide the box again this way horizontally. You put these other 2 digits, 3 and 2. So you can see what I've just done. Okay, so this is our box. So this box is what we're going to use to solve this problem now. Okay, now I'm going to divide this box diagonally this way, extend it. Diagonally, I also divide it this way, extend it, divide this other box, I extend it. Okay, I can extend here and extend here. Okay, now let's go. 3 times 6, that's 18. You put it. We go again. 3 times 4, that's 12. You put it in this box. Let's come again. 2 times 6, that's 12. Put it here. Let's go. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we're going to write it as 0, 8. We should always be in 2 digits, okay? So I'm going to write it as 0, 8. When you are done, add everything diagonally. So let's go. We have 2 here. I'm bring that by 2. So let's go. 8 plus 1, that's 9, plus 8, that is 17. I'm going to write my 7. I'll take the remaining 1 to this other diagonal. So if I add that 1 to this, I have 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus 2, 4, and then I bring my 1 down here. Can you see that? So my answer is 1472. Answer is 1472, and this is our solution. So this is how to apply the lattice method of multiplication. If your child is struggling with the other method, you can teach that child this method. I think this method is also helpful. So thank you for watching. Do have a great day. Don't forget to like this page, share this video, and follow our page, okay? Bye.